Hi, it's Morgan from the CheekyHomemaker.com, where we cook, clean, stay on budget, and journey through motherhood together. Today I'm going to show you a DIY where we turn pretty much anything into a key holder. So for our kitchen, one of the clutter areas was the countertop right by the kitchen door, which is what we use for our main entrance from our driveway. It collected keys as well as all sorts of other random items, but the keys were the biggest offender. So I decided I wanted to hang some sort of key holder next to our door and started hunting. Unfortunately, I could not find anything that I loved. So I decided that I was going to have to get crafty, and I went down to Hobby Lobby and I found this adorable sign, Farm Fresh Eggs, and it was normally $30 on clearance for $15. So I did not just get this. They probably don't have this exact sign any longer, but they do have a lot of things very similar to this if this is your style. If it's not, you can use just about anything. Now, the key was that it couldn't just be canvas because I needed a hard surface to put some cup hooks for keys into. So this is, it's kind of real wood, but honestly, when I started working with it, it's almost like a plasticized wood, like it's wood mixed with plastic. It's not nice and soft like normal wood would be. But all I did was decide where on here I wanted to hang my keys from, which for me was along the bottom. And since there's 4 wood panels here, I decided to put 4 hooks. I took my awl, which if you watched my DIY hair barrette holder video, you'll see me use there too. This is one of the handiest tools that I have in my toolkit, in my opinion. So you just use it, you put the pointy side wherever you want to make that hole, hit it right on the back with a hammer, and it starts a little hole for you. And then what you do after that is you can use it to put in a normal screw or to put cup hooks in, whatever it is that you need a hole started for. It helps the wood not split and also gets things going for you. So then you just twist your cup hook into the holes that you've made. Again, I did 4, just demonstrating this final one for you. And now you have a great place to hang all your keys. Instead of having to choose from what's out there, you're able to take basically any home decor item that strikes your fancy and you can turn it into a beautiful key holder. And since this was art made for hanging on the wall, it already has the hanging mechanisms on the back, so it was really easy to mount. I hope you'll enjoy getting creative and finding something to DIY into a key holder for your home. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, we should be friends, so don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel so we can keep in touch. You can also find me at thecheekyhomemaker.com, as well as on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram at thecheekyhomemaker. Hope to see you soon. Thanks, bye.